Hey everybody, so the first thing that my occupational therapist did for me with the e-stim was working on bending my wrist back towards my elbow. I could do it a little bit, but it didn't have great range of motion, and now you can see it's basically like 90 degrees, and I'm doing that all on my own. But so the pad placement for this is going to be basically all on the top of your arm. My elbow is right here, and so about half an inch to 3/4 of an inch away is the first pad, and it doesn't have to be small like this, it could be the square one. And then about 2 inches away from that one, also on the top of your arm, is going to be the other pad. And so I'm going to turn on the e-stim, and it's going to bend my wrist back. So I just want to show you guys that really quick. All right, there it goes. And that is the e-stim. And so when you're doing this, you want to really focus on bringing that middle knuckle back straight towards the elbow. You want to keep this line down the arm. And so when you're doing this, you got to think about doing it that way, because you don't want to reinforce the not, like, I don't want to call it bad behavior, but reinforce something that's not natural. You want to be able to do this like normal, of course. All right, so there's that one. I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, so the next thing my therapist worked on with me was thumb opposition, moving that thumb towards the pinky finger. And so the pad placement for that is right here on the pad of the thumb, the base of the thumb, and then it's going to be around the side of your arm. So the wrist flexion was right here, and so I'm going to be moving along the side of your arm. So say your arm is resting on the table, it's going to be right along the bend of your arm, and that is about 4 inches from my wrist bone right here. And what that's going to do is that's going to look like, well, it's on the off cycle of the cyclic cycle, but there's the thumb opposition. See, my thumb is being moved towards the pinky finger, and there you go. So that's thumb opposition.